Hey, Snickers, a really quick one. Okay, this evening I was doing some work on my main workhorse machine and I killed it. Yeah, it went. There was no way to recover it, not whatsoever. I couldn't even recover a lot of the files that was on there. I just actually mashed the drive up. Anyway, I've put a new drive in and I thought, should I go 1804 or just go with the 2004 beta? So this is the 2004 beta, okay? And it will get upgraded in a few days to the main release anyway. I was just trying to string it out, to be honest with you, to when it comes to release. Because Ubuntu is basically what I use for my workhorse machines, and everything else is just for anything else. And you probably heard something from my phone there somewhere. It went done a funny noise. Anyway, so far so good. It's working okay, okay? So far so good. I've tried it 3 times before anyway. And I've submitted some stuff anyway. And it looks okay. I've got my Zoom here for tomorrow for my lessons, so I need that for tomorrow. I've got Microsoft Teams for Wednesday. I need that for Wednesday. That's all working hunky-dory. At the moment, as you can see, I'm downloading World of Warships. Yeah, I know, I didn't back him up to a second drive. Silly me. I give you all the instructions. I don't follow them myself. Then again, I didn't have any many spare drives at the moment. I've got no spare hard drives. Yeah, so that's the main reason why for me, anyway. Anyway, moving on. So far, so good. It looks okay. I'm not so pleased about the sprightliness, but I'm going to give it a little while once we get into the main release and see what updates we get and see how we go. That's all I can say for the time being. But yeah, 2004 beta, it's almost released anyway. I've just gone and rolled with it. Might as well, because it's going to be the one anyway. And so we go. At least everything works. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Sneaky links out. See you later. Bye-bye.